beach. We on this cruise beach. Girl, wait till you see like my baby, everybody here. Look, let me see. I'm gonna give you a little bit of this is my first cruise or whatever. I ain't never really been on a boat, but it's been kind of like, it's crazy. But I want to remember this moment, so I wanted to let you guys know that. And this is the carnival cruise. You know what I'm saying? I made it. But anyway, so yeah, I just love to say it. Like, I made a promise to myself, something, you know, that I was going to do. So I don't know what it's for. I don't know why, but I did that. And so right now, I'm gonna just be showing you glitz and glass. This cruise is the life. Look at my baby. Smile, Ty. Ty, look at the camera. Say welcome, hello. That's my baby, and that's my Mimi back over there.
I got them in there.
You hear? You hear? If you see the one back there with the hat. Look at that pretty girl. That's my baby. That's my baby. Yes, God. And there's my mother. Look at her.
Yes, God.
Say hey, Reed.
Hi.
Everybody's gonna see you on YouTube.
Hello.
She's extra. Family got her, guys. You know, it was hard finding. She get lost in everything out here. You know how the old folk do.
All right, got yours.
I done got lost myself. But listen, I knew what room I stayed in.
You don't have no brown
Yes, I
bag.
did.
All right, guys. Hey, girl. Then you have me here enjoying it. There we go. Yeah. Very light. So yeah. So this is it. Working it out. Yeah, no, I'm trying not to. So y'all, we on the cruise, whatever. This is where we at. You know what I'm saying? This is like we're out here and we're living our best life. You know. Let me just go in this room here, man. Can't show you everything. Alicia getting ready, but look, like we just having a good time. Like my daughter in the bump bed. You know what I'm saying? She in the bump. Alicia on the bottom. That's my bed. This is my mama's bed. We just doing our thing. And I'm telling you, this is a peace of mind. I'm so excited. The water is blue. saying? It's a beautiful experience. You see, you know, that all that water, that's a lot of water. Just imagine, you know what I'm saying, getting stuck down there. It's a lot of water. So yeah, I'm just taking this time, you know, I'm calling this a rebuilding thing where, you know, I'm just trying to get my mind together, you know, because this has been a lot of call, you know, and I know that I want to travel a lot. I have that on mind. I want to travel a lot. I want to do things like this a lot, you know, and I'm not able to because I spend 99% of my time, 100% of my time working. And there's no problem in working. I love to work. But I don't like working and not being able to see my assets. You know, I want to see my assets. I want to see what I'm working for. I just want to work. You know what I'm saying? I want to see, you know, if my money gets me here. Which it do. It can. It does all the time. It brings me to places like this. This is what I'm doing it. This year coming, it's gonna be hard work, dedication. Dedication and actually seeing my asset. I'm trying to buy a house. I'm gonna buy a home, girl. It's that time. Yeah, I'm working on that. I've been saying that for a long time ago. Finally in there. Some of this thing. Look what's in the water. It's like these little gold. What I already know is like algae. But it's like a lot of a gold trail of it. So beautiful. Little gold trail. The water is so beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all go and I'm gonna come back, you know. If you guys, girl, everybody asks me, what do you use on your face? I'm like, you know, here's my card if you need anything. Madam Dion Cosmetics. Alright, guys. Hey, pretty lady.
Hi, baby.
How you doing?
Hey, fine. You're my baby. My baby. Be my baby. We fighting over her.
No, they got focus.
So the picture, how you say it's a honey.
Yeah, I saw them all.
Yeah, beautiful.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand.
Treat you over here.
I said, well, I don't
They,
see
them,
Rick.
they just love me. Look.
We just seen Rick. She looking for y'all.
You got anything on your bed? I'm the only one. Nobody else. Look at that.
She was getting a headache.
Since I've been on this ship, they've been showing me a lot of love. Look, I'm the one with the heart in the middle of the bed. This is my, that's my bed.
Baby.
Okay.
She bought another one.
Somebody, ain't no, what mine that anyway?
Yeah. That thing was melting.
Rick.
Huh?
Is enough documentation or you need something more in detail?
For me?
No. This is what I'm saying.
It's a documentation.
Yeah.
You need more detail.
Yep. Know what happened to her.
Oh.
That's what I'm asking.
Oh, me? So, what I want to say is, y'all, if you ain't never been on a cruise ship, been on a cruise, let me tell you, it's fun. You have to, really keep your guard up and watch your money. Watch your money. Because if you don't watch your money, they're going to charge you every night. It's an app they said that you're supposed to get on your phone, get the app. But they take good care of you when you're away, and I just really enjoy myself. My favorite aunt, mom, daughter, nephew, sister, everybody. I really had fun. Yeah, everybody's so much fun. Something I have to be very careful when I'm, traveling with family. Like you still a kid. So, I get it, you want to hang out with your friends, you know what I'm saying? You still look good, you know what I'm saying? You still look baby. And you know what I'm saying? Yeah, but it's fun though, because thank God my mama was here. Everything is expensive on these cruises, girl. I mean, it's higher sometimes on the ship versus like on land. They like be scamming, they changing the prices and stuff, But a lot of people find, good products for good deals here. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Also, let me know if you guys like videos like this, showing you things like this. Because it's fun. It's just you gotta remember to do the videos. I've been forgetting. Look at that view. Look. Come on now. Hey, I'm gonna go. I see y'all in the next video for sure. Bye. What's up, y'all? What's going on? So, I must turn to the ship is going back towards New Orleans. I had so many highs and lows. Now, I want you to also keep in mind that I've never flown. No, I've flown everywhere. I've never been on a ship. So the experience that I'm having is going to be different for everyone. But one thing that I would like to know, I'll let you guys know. I know I let you know when you went to Ghana. So we just went to like Cancun and stuff like that. So, let you know. They're hunting. It's a owl. Oh, that's the eagle. No, that's the eagle. That's the eagle. There's two of them. They're hunting. Eagles hunt in the ocean. Wow, that's dope. So, now I'm starting to think it was eagle or I can't really tell what. That's so freaking dope. So yeah. Girl, if I had that ring light, I'm gonna start filming everything. You think I'm lying? Y'all know I'm a celebrity. I gotta be careful too. Baby, we out. We be lying dancing everything out there. We just hey, we had the best experience on this carnival cruise, but let me tell you, girl, I done hurt my knee. I fell, and let me tell you, it's just been crazy. And let me tell you, this just makes it even more crazy. Talking about my people. So this one right here has been a whole different ball game. They evil on this. But let me tell you, I had the first experience. I like it. They take your money. This is a great experience over here. My last 2 days has been a good experience.
Cause it get hard. But we be turned up. We be turned up. Ty, that's my baby. Turn it up. The best man in the world. They all go to the same place.
They say I'm a rapper, and I say no. Say what you do and try to do, somebody know. Just let the music come from the soul, so all my people can stay on the floor. They got a brand new
Somebody gonna got to say God. Mighty name. I don't know what happened back there. Y'all sleeping back there?
young or you old. We gon' show you how it goes. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left.
Right over there. By those life jacket. We got the celebrities in the house here. Did we outside. Well, these people don't. It's crazy. They don't play on this ship. I don't know what they do. If your ass collapse. But for the most part, they really handle things well. It's like a military ring. Informs. This is a great job for them. You know. What is that? We out here. We outside. And we go back home tomorrow. So I'm gonna be outside again. Oh, my skin is so strong. So strong. My skin is so strong.